Hey everybody, Sunday night, well no, it's Monday morning now, yeah, so, I was out here working away and got called off on a fire call. Wanted to do some more videos today, but got busy and still not feeling good. And didn't tell you guys about that. I got kidney stones again. I don't think I told you guys. But anyway, the doctor said the only thing I can drink now is distilled water. So, loaded up with them both sides. Had some pretty good sized ones. The one that was giving me trouble this time around was 6 millimeters by 4 millimeters, I think he said. So, yeah. That's like a 1/4 inch long by crap, what is it? 3/16. Pretty close. Anyway, here's what I got done today, what I could. At the floor, oak plywood floor. This right here, this gap that you see, when I put the screws in for the center console, you won't see that gap. I got the seam right here. They had a piece of, just a little piece of plywood that covered it, and yeah, it just looked like crap. Put diamond plate in there with the 1/4 20 button heads in there. I think that looks better. This oak is going to look great when I get it stained tomorrow. Got the diamond plate in the pedals. Good to go. It's hard to get everything centered up here. Everything is centered up and true. Yeah. I got, show you over here. You can tell I've been working out here. Picked up some LED blazer. These are running board lights. 4 inches by about 1.5 inches. But I figured they got to have something to the back. Those are just markers. They're not going to have brake lights or anything. Picked up a cam lock for the gas cap. I'll have to trim this down to work, but, or the gas door, excuse me. Whole bunch of hardware I picked up. Here's the lights we're going to use. Compare it to one of the old ones that was on it. This is what was on it. Here's what we're going to. It won't look like a alien bug now, but I got to make a little deal for that. More of the hardware for it. I'm going to make lens covers out of this. This is just clear Lexan. Yeah, more hardware. Switch panel, I got to get it mounted yet with the choke cable. Still a lot to do. I think those are going to look a whole lot better. A lot less obtrusive. I want to make a cover for the handlebars, but I don't know if I'm going to have enough diamond plate to do that or not. Kind of doubt it. Because that right there, the angle, the corner piece here is all I've got left. That's probably about 5 feet long, and it's not straight. I can tell by looking at it. So, yeah, there we go. I got to get this back together. This is the rear bumper, pieces of it. It was bolted, and you can see it's rusted out. I'm going to fill that mess in, and I think I'm just going to weld it back together. Use 3/16, or no, excuse me, 3/8 inch button heads to attach it back, because it goes on the inside right down along there. So, and then I got to go through and do all that. I'm going to make a plate for the back seat area out of the same oak plywood, stain it the same, because we were debating on how we were going to make that look better. I'm just going to make a little frame for that, and we'll mount that. I've got the side rails now. I've got everything pretty much ready to go. Yeah, it's just busy work now. I gotta finish sanding. Gotta get some primer on it, some color, get everything back together by Friday. Doctor's got me off for a few days. He didn't want me going in with the pain medication. Guys, I can take a bunch of pain. I really can. I mean, I don't mind it. But man, this time around, it's got me. If you've never had kidney stones, I hope and pray you don't. They're bad news, but life doesn't stop. You got to keep going, keep plugging away. I see you guys have been plugging away, and I'm trying to catch up on the videos. I really like this new phone. I can get back in the swing of things here. We'll just see where we can go. Wow. It's cold out, snowing again. So, but it's about 72, I think, in here. Is what the thermostat kicked off at, 72. So, I'm gonna leave the furnace run all night. I got it warmed up in here. I'll probably just continue to run it until I'm done here. Because, you know, I got to have a steady temperature to paint, and I can't have the furnace going when I'm painting because it's a open flame at the bottom, burners and all that. But I get this out of here, then we're on to that. Cab corners, rocker panels, rear section, a couple braces in the floor. We went through and figured out everything that's going to be sealed up here, welded up and whatnot. So, going to be a fun project. Then it's on to the Suburban. Yes. So, alright guys, and of course clean this place out, man. Alright everybody, hope y'all have a good Monday. I'm going to do what I can, and we'll touch base with everybody later. Be safe.